Trimble has modernised the R980 with a 4G LTE cellular modem, allowing users to utilise the more expansive cellular networks around the world and still achieve more than enough data downloading than is needed for a VRS or an IBSS survey campaign. IBSS, or Internet Base Station Service, is a new feature in Trimble Access where, rather than using a UHF base station, a SIM card is loaded into the base receiver and corrections are streamed via the Trimble data centre to the rover. The rover then connects to the base station via the internet and corrections are streamed from there, much like a VRS survey is conducted today. What this means for users on the ground is that there are no more pesky radio broadcast licenses, there's no more interruptions from other networks or other users, and there's no more consideration of the topography to put your radio in the best position available. Just start your IBSS survey style and stream your corrections. The new R980 is available for sale now. If you'd like a demo or if you're ready to make a purchase, contact your local Trimble distributor.